This is a show report. This is a show report. Show report. I wantedly give wrong message, wrong URL. What the hell happening, Ra? Why it is not going in debug mode? You should open debug prospect too, na? Wait. You should have open in debug perspective. Is not happening. We'll try in embedded Tomcat. We also try in what? Embedded Tom. Error message should not come like that. Before giving error message, it should take us to that method and all this hangama should happen. Fine. Did we add embedded Jasper in the project, guys? Added up? Did we add? I'm just trying to show that flow, nothing else. Embedded Jasper in the project, guys. Dependency. Tell me. Where is this? mvnrepository.com. Tell me. Tomcat embedded Jasper. This is there. Copy this. Say paste. Save this. Right, guys. Tell me. Debug on server. Say next. Say finish. Oh, again I'm trying on external server. Is it breakpoint in a? Yes, breakpoint. Show report required. Wrong URL. It should not come like this, my dear. I think I have not opened correct one. 1 minute. Let me point to the project. After selecting this project, let me open Control plus Shift plus T, basic error controller. Yes, okay, there you search for error HTML. Yeah, it is there rightly, boss. It is there rightly, but it is not recognizing the stuff. Fine, okay. And let's not fight with that why it is not coming. Let's try as a standalone application. Right click, run as Java application. Is there any context path for this project, guys? Boot MVC pros 09. What is there? 4041. Tell me. Boot MVC pros 09. Boot MVC pros 09. Enter key. Boot MVC pros 09. Enter key. Yes, that's good. Show report. Wantedly, I will give wrong URL. Enter key. What's happening? Why am not able to show flow of execution that is happening through basic error controller? In a recent version, any flow is changed. It is not basic error controller. Is it anything else? It should, guys. Whenever wrong URL, error HTML, there is error is there. There is error HTML is there. What's happening? What's happening? What's the version of this I'm using, guys? 4, no, 3.5.6. That's not a big thing. 1 minute. Sometimes we have to read the ID also. It should actually work. Many times I have shown. Maybe 50, 60 I might have shown to different people. Sometimes it will test our patience. First, clean the product, guys. Product. Right click. Tell me. Run on. No, not run on. Right. Debug as server. Debug on server. Tomcat 11. Save finish. Last time, guys. Otherwise, you feel that it is executing and coming. But this time I'll try to create error in a different angle. Report 8. I'm giving wrong number that internally throws exception. Customer not found exception. Not. It should not come like this. Go there. It should go there and it should wait there for a. I don't know why it's not going there. Is it basic error controller only? 1 minute. Let me check in my document. Am I going wrong? My memory is not that much bad memory, but still, statistics it. You feel that control is going and output is coming from basic error. Class content, tools, FS, no, Spring, tell me next one. What is there? NGO, Spring Boot, what? MVC, tell me next one. Not 13, somewhere Not that, not that. Somewhere you will be having an extra file, check it out. Where 90, na? So basic error controller extends from abstract error controller, extends from error interface. Yes. Okay. See, now we are there in the correct package, basic error controller class. Basic error controller class. So everything is there perfectly. Debugging is not happening. Let me try with standalone mode, guys. This right click, tell me Java application. Right click Java application. Oh, HTTP, what is that? 4041 boot MVC pros 09. That's in okay. Should edit. I'll give the wrong number. Fine, leave it. No, we have done that as only, na? Debug as this. Okay, fine. Yes, guys. Yeah. Edit option. I think has come to debug mode. Yeah. Yeah. You see, the cursor is blinking there or not there. Okay, that's fine. Okay, now what is there? You want to get into details? No. Okay, you want to get a step over. Yeah, step over. Now look at variables that are there. Yeah, these are the variables. Status code. Okay, impulse error, response object, a request object containing multiple details, guys. Okay, now, okay, getting error attributes. Okay, completed. Okay, once model attributes are ready, check it out. One timestamp is one model attribute, nothing but error attribute. Status is one error attribute. Next error is one error attribute. Next path is one error attribute. Multi attributes are there or not there, guys? Okay, that's good. Yeah, tell me next one. Okay, this is model and view object is created. That's fine. See, until this flow is not happening, we are not getting error there, though I have given wrong input. That means this method will take care of everything or not there. This is return statement, guys. Okay, goes. Yeah, it internally executes so many things, guys. Complete is complete. Yeah, it's time to reach somewhere. See, all these are pointing to dispatchers are return. All these are seriously pointing to what dispatchers are return. That's good. Wait for some time. Now error has come or not there. So that means error HTML method is responsible to get the errors or not there. Yes, you try with external server also it comes, but be patient. Yeah, this is the status code. 100 to enable X happenings in the server will be displayed. 200 to 299 2XX. For a given request, the response has come successfully without what? Error or exception. 300 to 399 3XX redirection. The request given to one website will be redirected to what? Another website. See, only these two are errors, guys. 400 to 499, 4XX, incomplete. Some problem locating and executing web component. Listen, 400 error means because of client side mistakes. Maybe URL not for username password is wrong, 401. Authorization failed. That means one mistake from end user. User are browsers or URL, whatever. No, it is executing the code in the servlet or JSP or Spring MVC. Executing, but exception came. Customer not found exception, illegal argument. Then you get 500 error. 500 to 599. Server side error means error is because of code related, application related problem. Error is because of end user or URL related one. Client side error means 400 to 499. Errors are given by server only. All errors are given by server only. But for what reason they are? If they are coming because of client side problems, outside error. If they are coming because of what? Code related server side except server error. Problem getting executing web component. 500 to 500 server error. For exception is web component or problem in the execution. Sir, I'm able to see 400, 500 errors in the browser. Why am I not able to see any? Okay. So 100 to 199 is like a guidance kind of thing. When guidance is there, guidance message will come, error code will not come. When success is there, success related web page will come, error code will not. When redirection happened, one website request goes to another website web page will come, error code will not come. What will not come, guys? Error code will not. 400 to 499, 4XX, HTTP errors. 400, 599, 5XX, HTTP errors. Because of exception raised in web component in underlying server or container. Yeah. Basic error controller, error HTML, error. Return type is what? Model and view. Return type is what? On-site. Basic error controller extends from what? Abstract error controller that implements error controller. Important error code. Request source not found. It is being what, guys? Requested resource not found. Everyone understanding my statement? Not 5. Requested method is not supported. 401. Authentication is failed. 403. Authorization is failed. 400. Bad request. What request, guys? Bad request. One is error HTML, other not error. Okay, that's good. Get this. Browser gives a request, guys. Dispatch servlet traps and take. Hand over the request to handler mapping. Somehow, it will capture the signature of handler method. Passes to dispatcher servlet. Dispatch servlet calls handler method. Let us assume here exception is rise. That problem has come to dispatcher servlet. That problem has come to dispatcher servlet. Are you getting my point, my dear? Come on. That problem has come to dispatcher servlet. That is G. What is H? Dispatcher servlet calls error HTML method. Error HTML method returns what? Mow object. Model and view class. What object is? Model and view class object. This view contains local view name error. And mow contains model attribute, timestamp, message, path, some message. Those will go to this, that is J. That logical view name error goes to view resolver. View resolver gives view object having the location of what? Error.jsp. Okay, guys. error.jsp. Now listen. Okay, it will give view object default white label page, fallback page if error.jsp is not there. If error.jsp is not there, it will locate what fallback page. So that fallback page logic executes. That logic related output comes to dispatcher servlet. Dispatcher servlet gives error response to browser, and browser displays that error page in the browser displays that error page. Browser displays that error page. Is that clear, my dear? Come on. Got the clarity, my dear? I want reply, guys. Come on. A, this. B, dispatcher servlet. C, handler mapping. All this stuff. Okay, this entire here not success problem. Problem it identified has gone to error HTML method of basic error control. Who does that work? Dispatchers are. That is now having error. Used to view resolver, it error.js not there. So since not there, it looks to execute twice. Declares output, whatever code execute, output goes to dispatcher servlet, that goes to browser as error response, and that will be displayed in the browser as error page or not there. Okay. In the white label error page, which is fallback error page, for a different problem, we can configure what custom error pages for different HTTP errors or exceptions, right? Okay. You don't want that error page, fallback error page, white label error page. You can configure custom error or not. And that starts with error.jsp. Now what I do is go to Project Explorer. Now go to basic error controller. I don't want this basic error controller. This yeah, basic error controller. Control F. What is there? Error HTML. Remove this. What is there? Error HTML. Remove this. Think about removing it. Close all editors. MVC project 09 project code operations. Okay. I'll take a copy of it. Copy this, paste it. MVC project and in project. Okay. Error handling. What is there? This, tell me this was there. Properties, web project settings. What is there? Pros 10. Pros 10. What is there? Mini project. Error handling. Say apply and close. Say apply error handling. Yes. Boot MVC project and mini project error handling. Okay. Properties, guys. This is the story. Right click, tell me. Yeah, first of all, okay, where is the option? SRC main web app. SRC main web app, WebINF pages. Here I'm taking one page called error.js. Error. This is global error page. Global error page. Fine. I'll say is the one I should say. Okay, is error page is equal to true. H1 style, what is there? Color colon red, text hyphen align center, error dot JSP, global custom error page, global custom error page. Hmm. Tell me, table, border is equal to 1. What is there? Align is equal to center. Align is equal to center. TR opening and closing. TD opening and closing. Here is the timestamp. TD opening and what closing? Dollar timestamp. What is there, guys? Status. Dollar, what is there? Status. Yes. Okay, next one. Okay, path. What is there? Path. Next, message. What is there, guys? Message. Here is what? Message. Okay. Table opening and what? Closing. Table opening and closing. Right click, run on server. Tomcat what? Say next. Remove all. Finish. I create the same situation of the error. Yes. Show report. Where is this? Edit. See, error.jsp global custom error page. Are you getting those details or not? Exception came. Now I'll give the correct report page. Now I given wrong URL. Wrong URL client side error. 404 is coming or not there? Able to replace a default white label error page ASP or not? Now you understood why I discussed about basic error controller. Actually, this is also because of the controller. So far, error.jsp was not there. That's why it has gone to default one. But now it found now. Okay, that one more thing. That logical view name is not only error, that is also carrying error attributes. Na? I'm able to display those error attributes. I exactly read these words by opening variable watching section. Come on, guys. While debugging, I have shown these names or not. That's fine. Okay. Now listen. There is one more thing, guys. What is that? Error series pages also there. What is there? Error series pages. Project Explorer error pages. You take one called error. This is a fixed one. Under this, you take file save as, File save as. Under pages error. Tell me. Under pages error. 4xx.jsp. What is there? 4xx.jsp. Yeah. 4xx.jsp global this. Not global, guys. Yeah. These things I am keeping as it is. If you want, you can keep images also, boss. Similarly, I'll take this one as file save as 5xx.jsp. That means this is called error series pages, guys. 5xx.jsp. Custom pages only, but this error series page. Yes, sir. Error.jsp is there and these are there. Who will get the priority? Actually, first it looks for what? Specific error code page. Not there. 404.jsp, 500.jsp, like. Then error series page. What is there? Error series page there. If not there, then error.jsp. That is also not there, then default white. Right click, run on server, Tomcat 11, finish. Say okay. Show report, guys. Edit, guys. Show report, guys. Edit, guys. Or give the wrong number, my dear. 5xx.jsp. Okay. Go back, guys. Go to report page. URL is wrong. Enter key. 404. So series pages are executing or not there. You don't want series pages? Wait a minute. See, this is not only problem raised in handler method, a problem raised in service class, problem raised in repository method. Automatically basic error control comes into picture. Why? Problem raised in repository comes to service. That comes to controller class handler method. Controller class passes to dispatcher servlet. Once dispatcher servlet gets any problem, any angle, it will not look to go for view resolver. It looks to go to basic error controller class. There it looks to execute error HTML. That error HTML makes to execute different things. Okay. That's fine. Okay, guys. I think more message is not there. Why message is not coming? In basic error controller class, what is this? Basic Error controller class. In basic error controller class, list out the model attributes. List out the model attributes. Yeah. Timestamp status error exception message. Errors. Exception message. Message any spell mistake from my side? Okay, I'll add one more thing. Exception. What is the one I should add, guys? Exception. Here is what? Dollar exception. That's good. I will add this one in global error, other places also. Project Explorer error 5xx.jsp 4xx.jsp. That's good. Then tell me error.jsp exception. That's great. Right click, tell me run on server. Tomcat 11, save finish. Save okay. Yeah, where is this show report, guys? What is there? Show report. Yeah, edit customer, wrong number. Okay, sorry, it is not able to pick, guys. Don't worry about it. Attributes are there, but somehow it is not able to pick them. 5xx. Okay. See, global error page, error series page, error page, error code page also there. Okay, I'll change this 500 xx.jsp as 500.jsp. Here is my 500.jsp. Next, guys, Project Explorer. This one also I will take it save as. What is there? 400.jsp. Here is my, what is there? 400.jsp. Yeah. Error, straight page, guys. Straight error page. Okay, let's have a look. 400. If you want, you can take 404.jsp. I'll take 400 is bad request. 404 is this. 404.jsp. Other one is 404. That's great. Project Explorer, guys. Tell me. Right click, run on server, Tomcat 11, save finish. Okay, and this. Here is what this. Five hundred. See, direct one. Suppose I have not given this question mark. 400 bad request. Array. I have taken request param without required is equal to false. That means query string is missed. Bad request now, guys. Yeah. So wrong URL 404. Final conclusion is what? First priority to error code pages. If they are not there, error series pages. If they are not there, global error page, that is error.j. If that is also not there, default fallback page, that is white label error page. These many days you never thought error white label page came. We never asked about how it came. At least now we are able to postmortem. We are able to understand internals how things are coming, guys. I'm not worried about custom pages configuration. Why? First, we concentrated on why white label error page is coming by default, how it is coming. Understanding that ecosystem, we started keeping what? Custom error pages. Let's see. In Spring Boot SMVC application, the real method of basic error controller class is executing towards what? Giving default white label error page message. So these are the various answers we have got now, boss. Open that. Okay, error HTML definition, add a breakpoint in his enough method. Make sure that over other action will be raised in Spring Boot MVC application, like changing the request path. Run the application as debug as server mode. Right click on the project, debug on server. When the exception is raised, controller stops in its what? First line of error HTML method. From use F6, F7 buttons to fill the flow of execution. To simply literally fill the error attribute that next one. We can for each error word 404, 405, 500, 501, 502, etc. For that, we need to take error code.jsp as the file name. In webinf slash pages slash specific error series codes like what? 4xx.jsp for 400 to 499 error code. Similarly, 5xx pages for this one. See, first error codes, if not there, error series. Here 5xx.jsp, here what? 4 dot. I think we got it. Yes. Okay. Listen, guys. Whenever custom exception is raised, by default, we are getting what number? 500 number, right? Let me create the situation of custom exception. Whenever I give wrong number in delete operation, whenever I give wrong number in what? Edit operation. What is the exception we are throwing, guys? Customer not found exception. So by default, what is the number we are getting? 500. Check it out. Stop this. Project Explorer. Right click. Tell me. Run on what? Server. Tomcat 11. Say next. Say finish. Here is what? Show report. Click on edit. Enter key. 500 is coming now. That means whenever exception means 500 only coming. Why 500? It should be something else. That too exception is custom exception now, boss. So we can control error code for custom exception classes. Default 500 because it's a server side error. You don't like that 500, you want something else. Yes, you can get it. You can get something else, boss, no doubt in that. How to get that one? Go to that exception class. Go to that exception class, guys. Okay. Go to that exception class. On the top of the class, you add you add at the rate, what is there? You add at the rate. Yeah, tell me guys. At the rate, I think there is an annotation called response status. At the rate response status. Code is tell bad gateway. Code is bad gateway. Code is bad gateway. Tell me. Okay, this is great. Say this. Say finish. Say this. Say finish. Show report. This. Tell me. 1, 2, 3, 5 not 2. Why? Because whatever I have written here, bad gateway is internal number is what? 5 not. Actually, earlier, how much has come? 500. Now I am able to change that status code or not there. Hey, not only 500. Generally, exception means 500 series. If you want, you can keep 400 series number also. That's up to you. Whatever number you keep, that number only will come. Is it not interesting, guys? Come on. We are able to create the situation or not there. Problem in handler method or request URL. Specific, first it looks for what? Specific, specific error code page like 401, 404, 500, 501. This kind of error, this one it looks for or not there, guys. Where, guys? In webinf slash pages slash error folder. If they are not found, specific error series page. Where, guys? Again in, tell me, webinf slash pages slash what folder? Error folder. Yes, if they are not there, come on. It looks in what? In what is that? In webinf folder. Webinf slash pages. Default white label error page. Default white label error page. Okay, because of what is this? Error HTML method of what is there? Basic error controller class. Basic error controller class. Error HTML method of basic error controller. Comfortable, my dear? Come on. Yes. This is the story. Okay. I want to have some images explaining the whole process. Give me image showing how error HTML method of basic error controller class is showing the default, what is there? White label error page. Yeah, look at these numbers. Client request an URL, that is number one. Number two, dispatch servlet forwards the request to error slash error. Tell me. Okay, then what is there? Okay, because invalid URL, that's why. Basic error controller, error HTML method executes. Okay, that's good. Returns model when you error model. View name is what? Error. Okay. View name. Theme leaf looks for class path error.html. If not found, Spring Boot provides the default view. What is there? Default error view resolver, which renders default white page error message. What's the class name, guys? Default error view resolver. Okay, that will give this. This is the flow, guys. Flow summary. Invalid URL. Dispatch servlet forwards to error. Array. From there, error will come now, guys. Okay, basic error and HTML is executed. Returns model and view. What is executed? Default error view resolver renders default white label error page. Okay, that's it. One thing we got, guys, what default error view resolver. What's the class name we got? Default error view resolver. Let me search for that. Project Explorer, Control plus Shift plus default error view resolve. Default error view resolver. Yeah, default view resolver. Resource must not be null. I'm just looking for that message, guys. View resource dot HTML resource. Get the constants. Default whiteable error page. Yeah, this is the class guide actually generating what? Error message. Default. Resource must not be null. Assert not null. Error view resolver. Resolve views. Error. It looking for error, guys. Media type. File copy utils. Stuff. Response at output string. Give me image that, 1 minute. Yeah. Give me image that shows the order of looking for, what is there? Custom error pages by basic error controls. In which order custom error pages are identified. Having that, I want one image, guys, nothing else. Yeah, chairman. Order number one, it looking for error slash status.html, nothing but 404, 405, that. If not there, what is this? Templates.error.html. Okay, 1 minute. Give me with respect to that is theme leaf, guys. I'll introduce. Give me with respect to JSP pages. Give me with respect to JSP page, because right now we are using JSP as the view technology now, guys. Right now we are using JSP as the view technology. Just want to get the priority order diagram, nothing else. Oh, wait this much time, guys? Am I asking that is impossible? Yeah. Tomorrow when we meet, we are going to discuss about OAuth 2.0. Tomorrow Saturday, 9 o'clock, 11 o'clock. We have one topic that is OAuth 2.x. Right. When we meet in Monday's class, I'm going to discuss about soft deletion. Right now in mini project, whenever I'm trying to delete, it is deleting record permanently. No, I don't want to delete permanently, but I want to give the feeling record is deleted. So that is technically called soft deletion. The one what we are doing so far is what? Hard deletion. The one that we are doing so far comes under what? Hard deletion. Okay, fine. Anyhow, you know this point, na? Fine, leave it, guys. We cannot wait until it prepares. Let it be. File, where is this? Google Drive. SPBMS 23026. Tell me next one. Spring Boot MVC. This is another one. Right click, file upload, Spring here, 1104, Spring Boot MVC, 19th. I think you got complete grip on error handling. Yeah. Thank you. We'll meet tomorrow and we'll discuss about Spring Boot OAuth 2.x. Thank you.